Welcome back to part 12 of the Asia adventure. The story continues on Halloween with my no costume, but let's go see if anybody else has a costume out there. Oh yeah, we're in Bangkok, by the way. Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go. An adventure if you can. So this is Terminal 21. It's a huge mall. It's like 5 floors. And just like right here is they have a food court, which is really good. So we're gonna get some food. So that delicious concoction is something they put together here. It's spicy pork basil and garlic chicken. It is so good, and it is seriously, it's 70 baht, so like $2. You cannot beat the prices here for the amount of amazing food. Let's get to serving. So this awesome park is called Bentahini. I guess we'll go with Bentahini Park. It's right by Terminal 21, and it's awesome. The reflection shots were really nice. Like, it's nighttime. I haven't seen a lot of costumes. I'm still looking for more costumes. So it is, you know, Halloween, but apparently not as Halloween-y as America here. But I'll keep looking.
They literally have like 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just me. You see, this is the bread I'm talking about.
All right, so this is Aziz. He's fantastic. And as I always go around and I ask people this simple question, I'm going to ask him and get his response. What brings you happiness?
Be around my happiness to be around the people, the good people that I like, and I get my energy from the people.
Okay.
Period.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
So that was an awesome time. That was the first time I met Aziz, and eating that Lebanese food was really, really good. Like, really good. And still surprised, didn't see that many people in costume for Halloween. But it's very late. It's time to head back and start the work day because it's the beginning of Halloween at work. Let's get to it. All right, some work has been done. Let's go get some fitness on. Well, all right. Today's 4% is complete. Let's see what's next. Well, good morning. After a delicious and wonderful workout, it must be time to get some food. So let's go to a place called the Floating Market. So this is the floating market.
ส่วนมากก็จะเป็นพืชผักผลไม้นะคะส่วนทาง
ให้ใส่สตังค์อยู่ หรือว่าญาติโยมทั้งหลายต้องการจะตัดมาด้วยนะ
And that was the floating market. Let's go see something else. Well, all right, the time has come to move to a new location. But first, let's cook here and show you guys this wonderful short little kitchen. And then pack up and move to the new location. Those eggs were amazing. Now let's pack up this place. All right, this is the new place for a few weeks. Pretty good. So it's that time in the episode to talk about money. So right now it's about 34 baht to $1. So this is 1 baht, 5 baht, 10 baht. And that's it for change here. The rest is all paper money. 20 baht, 50 baht, 100 baht, 500 baht, and 1,000 baht. I'm sure there's bigger than that, I just don't have any. It's definitely different from Japan, which is mostly coin-based, to this, which is mostly paper-based. So, there you go. Well, alright. It's been a minute since added some content to this story. Today is shockingly November the 13th here in Bangkok. And I heard about this music festival, light festival. There's some kind of a holiday here. So let's go check that out. There's some random stuff here. Light Festival, sorry, the Water Festival. Pretty good, right? Let's see what's happening next. Tomorrow is another amazing day in Bangkok, Thailand. Well, good morning. Today's adventure is a lot of animals, so let's go find some. Are you a monkey? Hello. Hello. Hi. What is that thing?
Crocodile?
What are you? What are you? Look at these cool turtles. Look at the cute babies. Hi there. Do you have a big butt? Do you? Do you have a big butt? So this is the line for the like really tiny hippo that everybody's raving about right now. Let's go see a baby hippo. ดำน้ำหนีไปแล้ว ไปเข้าคิวเข้าอีกรอบ Is it hot out here? Did you hear me? So, is this the African plain brought to you by the Thailand Zoo? What's the name of the zoo?
Khao Kiao Open Zoo.
Khao Kiao.
Khao Kiao.
Khao Kiao. Khao Kiao Open Zoo. And there's some Africa stuff. And a baby hippo.
Yes.
Wow. Not very pink flamingos. Hi. Feeding time at the zoo. Look at this cool one. You got a nice hat, buddy. You have a rainbow on your back. Did you know? The cool neck. These ones escaped the sanctuary. And that's the zoo. All right, wasn't that zoo really cool? And the beach sunset amazing as always? So with those two fantastic things, let's call the end of part 12 of the Asia adventure. And my reminder, to drink your water. All right, catch you guys up on the next episode.